The Modi government has sought advice of senior advocate Harish Salve to ensure swift extradition of fugitive Mehul Choksi. Salve might also present India's case before High Court in Dominica, where Choksi is being held for illegally entering the country. In a statement, Harish Salve said that he is advising the government of India on what steps to take in the Mehul Choksi case. He's further added that if India is given an audience and the Attorney General agrees to his admission to the bar, he will appear for India. Salve, with a sharp legal acumen, has helped India's Kulbhushan Jadhav case in global court against Pakistan. Fugitive Mehul Choksi was arrested in Dominica last month. Meanwhile, a Caribbean news portal claims that captain of ship Kallio Pufan claims that Choksi never boarded the ship. Anisha is now joining us live for the very latest. Anisha, Harish Salve entering the Mehul Choksi extradition effort, this perhaps will give the right kind of a boost for India's effort into extradition of Mehul Choksi. Where does India stand legally as far as this extradition is concerned?
Well, Cherry, the entire debate before the Dominica court is with regard to the legal status of Mehul Choksi. Remember, India is claiming that he is an Indian citizen and therefore should be deported and sent back to India, whereas he has claimed that he is a citizen of Antigua. Now, when it comes to international criminal law, questions of extradition, questions of international law, Harish Salve is one of the best experts that India has, and he has been representing India at various forums earlier as well, and that is why he has once again been roped in. We spoke to him and he has said that while the Dominican court and the Dominican prosecution is yet to give permission for India to send in a lawyer and put their point across, the Indian authorities are in touch with the Antiguan and Dominican authorities to work out the legalities of what is happening. They are trying to ensure that Mehul Choksi can be sent back to India instead of being sent back to Antigua. Back to you.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks so much, Anisha, for joining us with the very latest details on this story. The mystery surrounding the woman allegedly will be the one with whom Choksi went on a romantic getaway deepens. Choksi has lodged an official complaint with the police in Antigua and claimed that he was abducted and beaten up mercilessly by 8 to 10 men who claimed themselves to be from the Antiguan police force. Take a look.
She and her girlfriend or boyfriend had taken a house very near to our house in August of last year, from 2nd August to 7th of August. And at that time, when my husband would go for a walk, they or she would join like a normal walking thing. And other people also knew her because walkers know each other.
Choksi's family has been repeatedly claiming threat to his life.
So that there was always this fear that there is a threat to his life. Tell me, if you want to abduct someone and you want them to stand trial and face justice, do you need to torture them?
Choksi has now been remanded to a hospital in Dominica. India Today confronted the fugitive, but he did not respond.
How are you doing, Mr. Choksi? How are you doing? India Today, how are you?
The diamantaire has been repeatedly claiming that he is now an Antiguan citizen. But the Dominican Prime Minister does not agree.
The matter with this Indian citizen is before the courts. The court will decide what happens to the gentleman, and we allow the court process to go through. And I do not like to get involved by making statements publicly on this matter.
Was Choksi indeed a victim of an abduction plot, or is there more to this Dominican mystery than meets the eye? With Arvind Ojha and Nalini Sharma from Delhi and Carlyle No Baptiste from Dominica, Bureau Report, India Today.